Namaste, welcome to my home kitchen. I'm Bhavna and today I'm going to take you to thousands of years of old tradition of India. Today I'm going to talk about natural herbal remedies has been used in India for years. In this episode, I'm going to show the recipe of ukaro, which is best advice for people suffering from cold, coughing, and many other minor everyday problems, especially during winter time. For this ukaro, I use ginger, lemon, honey, and some turmeric powder, haldi, and some holy basil leaves, tulsi. So these are the ingredients that really helps in your cold coughing. Now, if you are not suffering from cold coughing and if you would like to make your throat a little bit smooth, like sometimes people keep doing so that kind of, it also helps to avoid this kind of problems. When I have that issue, I also add some other ingredients to make my throat a little bit smooth. I also add ghee, clarified butter. Add into your hot ukaro. Ghee will melt into that ukaro and then drink it. Also kesar, saffron also helps in your throat. So do not limit your ingredients to add into this ukaro. Just go ahead and add any ingredients that you wish. This ukaro can be prepared in milk or in water. I'm going to prepare in water. So I'm going to add water, few leaves of tulsi, pinch of turmeric powder, grate some fresh ginger, squeeze some fresh lime. Make sure that and bring this to boil. Make sure to boil this very well, and then you can add some ghee, clarified butter, and some few drops of honey. This ukaro you can use for your kids as well. Kids, grown-ups, any age can use this ukaro. Now if you are in hurry, then take hot water and add a few drops of honey and few drops of lemon and drink it. That also helps in your coughing big time. It separates out all your coughing. If you have a real bad coughing in your chest, or if you are really suffering from coughing, then that's also the best solution if you don't have even time. For my kids, because they go to school early morning, so I prepare the mixture of honey and the juice of ginger. So I keep that into the refrigerator, and whenever I'm ready to give, just take little warm water and then add that mixture of lemon and honey into the water and give it to them. This is coming to the boil. So this is basically ready. You can see that it's boiling nice up here. So I'm ready to use it. Now strain out. Look at the color, pretty color. Now into this cup you can add ghee, clarified butter, and few drops of honey. Here I have the honey bear. And always add while it's hot so that it gets melted and absorbed very well into this water. So just a few drops of honey, very small amount of ghee, clarified butter, and this is optional, but it really makes your throat very smooth. Give it a good mix. Let's try to drink. Sweet, sour. Even if you don't like taste, do not bother with taste. You can always add some other flavors to make it flavorful, but if you can drink itself, always great. So this was about herbal natural remedies to fight with the cold coughing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you real soon with the next great recipe.